Do you struggle with having any lower back pain? Oftentimes, our lower back pain is caused by having a weak core. Our core is weak, so there's a lot of extra stress placed on the lower back because it's making up for that weakness. But the good news is there's a lot of things we can do at home to help us build our core strength, to alleviate and get rid of that lower back pain. Now, I'm not saying that there aren't other issues that can cause lower back pain. There's a lot of different things that can be going on. So if it's persistent, I always recommend checking it out with a doctor. But if you've just noticed some stiffness back there, kind of when you've been sitting for a long time, different things like that, sitting at work, if you work at a desk, I do, it's very bad for us. Sitting all day, try to get up at least once an hour, walk around, go get some coffee, go get some water, go to the restroom, do something to get up and move because it's so beneficial. If you have the option to work at a standing desk, that's another great thing that kind of just gets us up because sitting that sedentary all day is just terrible for us. All right, so what can you start doing today to help alleviate the lower back pain, to build that solid core? Let's jump into the exercises for today. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. The thing is with this, do it every day. Take 5 to 10 minutes out of your day, do these exercises. After a couple weeks, you're going to notice a difference. You're going to notice that you have less pain in the lower back. It's going to relieve that stress as your core becomes tighter, it becomes stronger. It's going to benefit you all the way around. And not to mention all the benefits of having a strong core in normal workouts. It benefits you in that area as well. So don't underestimate the core. Don't underestimate these exercises. Again, do it every day, 5 days a week if you can't do it every day. And you're going to notice a difference after a couple weeks. All right, if you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell because for some reason you've got to do both. And I'm excited to announce I now can stay in touch with you via text. How cool is that? You'll see the number on your screen, 706-222-7551. Just send YouTube to that number. That's it. Easy peasy. You'll get an automated response saying that you're signed up and a welcome. And then after that, I send out several texts a week, just kind of checking in, see how you're doing. I give out fitness tips. So it's definitely something you should check out, be a part of. Again, just text the number that's on your screen. And with that being said, remember, you've got this.